Hello everyone. Today I will be discussing about the Power BI dashboard from using this data. This is a Nike annual sales data in USA, which I have taken from the Kaggle website, and I already loaded this data from the Excel. And this is my table view. And then after I also created the dashboard of this data. So as you can see, there is a main three graph. Sum of the total sales by sales method, sum of sales by product and sales method, sum of operating profit, profit by product and sales method. So as you can see, there is a total three method of sellings. One is online, second is in store, and third is outlet. In online total sales percentage is a 41%, and in store there is a 33%, and outlet selling is a 25%. So as we can see, is the online is the highest selling sales method. Second one is a sum of total sales by product and sales. As you can see, the highest sales product is a women's street footwear, and the lowest sale is a men's apparel, in which also we can see that in women's street apparel, the highest selling sales method is in store, or and in men's street footwear, the highest sales method is online. So as we by using this dashboard, we can analyze the data and take a take out the meaningful insight from this data, which is very useful for further analysis and increasing company's sale. Third is a sum of operating profit by product and sales method. This shows the profit and sales method. So as you can see that the highest sum of operating profit is in the women's street footwear, and the lowest sum of operating profit is in men's apparel. uh, Men's apparel, in which also in women's street footwear, the highest sales method is in store, in store. And I have also added the three men analyzing. You take the first is a says that the sum of total sales. So 3 million is the sum of total sales. Around 3,16,000 is sum of unit sold in the year, and the sum of operating profit is 1 million. As we can see that if we click the if we click the different region, we can see the region wise data like midwest, northwest, south and southeast, southeast and west. So this is a very helpful for the person who is analyzing the data, and analyzing the data, and it's very interactive, and it gives the idea of the what's going on, and insightful information from the data, which is very visually appealing also. Second is a operating profit. uh, we have also taken it's in a region wise, like there is a main five region in USA: midwest, northeast, southeast and east. In a midwest, the highest sum of operating profit is in the woman's street footwear, whereas lowest is in the men's street footwear. But in a south region, as we can see that highest woman's street footwear is in also in a woman's street footwear and men's apparel. In northeast, as we can see that as we can see, or also in southeast, southeast the data changes from the midwest and the south. In southeast, men's street footwear has the highest sales, whereas the men's apparel has the lowest. Women's apparel in another area is on first number, but in southeast it's in second number. So by using this various tool of Power BI, we can actually analyze and draw the insightful information from the simple looking data very easily. And if we talk about the western region, in western region also, men's street footwear has the highest selling, and women's apparel has the lowest selling. By region wise, we can also predict that some of the volume, like south in south, it's touching 80K, but in midwest, it's in south is only 80K, but in midwest is touching more than 120K, and in north is it's like kind of lower, under the 60K. In southeast is also around 50K, and west is also around 50K. So in a midwest, it's the highest number of selling. So company is gaining more profit from midwest region rather than any of other region that we can analyze. Next is a state. Next is a state. If you talk about the state, in USA, there is a 50 different state. The first is for what we are analyzing, that a blue dot is saying the showing the number of sum of total sales. So bigger the blue dot, higher is the selling. So in California state, the total number of sales is a, as we can see, the total number of sale in the Utah, 1,48,000. In California, it's around 2 lakh. In Mississippi, is like 1,60,000. So it's very visually appealing, and we can see the different data in one go, and it's very interactive also in strategy making. So we have created these three for the analyzing of our data. By using this software and this outlet, we can draw this conclusion that sum of operating profit in midwest region is the highest. So company should transfer more resources in another region to increase the sales in a different region. And since California has the highest selling, company should more be innovative in their site, and try to convert more customer. And somehow the men's apparel, men's street footwear, and men's like woman sales of woman product is more than men's product. Like men's street footwear is not that much in sales, men's apparel is not much that they are able to sell. So company should try to increase the sales of men's product. So thank you, that was my time.